Okay guys, we got the trunk lid, the jambs all sandblasted. I had rust holes over here. And over there, so I cut them out, welded it up. Got it body worked a little bit. So went around and wire wheeled all the seam sealer off the edges. So that's the trunk lid for the Cadillac. Now, my buddy Matt stopped by and sandblasted. He brought over some Nova parts, so fenders, doors, trunk. So we got everything all sandblasted. We're gonna spray some epoxy. It's gonna be fun. Okay, so I got it epoxied. It's gonna, 2 nice coats, that's gonna all get sanded and everything. So these spots turned out pretty good. I ran out of epoxy, so I didn't have enough to do everything. So I got a big nasty run right here. I turned the fan way down on my spray gun so I could spray epoxy inside of here. I did that, and then I went and hung my gun up, came back in here like 15-20 minutes later to do the last coat, and I went to go across and it was still, my fan was turned way down, so it came out like a garden hose. But it'll get sand out. It's not the end of the world. So there's the trunk lid. We got these parts epoxied. The fenders are pretty beat up. The trunk lid's pretty beat up. These doors are pretty beat up. But it's a race car. We'll fix it, make it nice. And then back over here, we have the Cadillac. So we got the doors on, the fenders on. Nothing's really gapped and sitting perfect yet. I mean, we have stuff that's pretty close. But I'm gonna hold off until we get the glass, get the doors put together, because that can make the doors sag down a little bit. But, so, doors are jammed. So the doors and the fenders are blocked, sanded, ready to be painted. I just have to edge sand the doors, but otherwise those are done. So once I get the trunk lid done, then I can jam the trunk lid and put it on the car, and we got to block the quarters, the roof, the hood, and the trunk lid. So not that much. Hoping to paint this thing in a couple weeks. I want to get it out of here. I've been walking around this thing for like 2.5 years. So, but got the wife's beater car on the hoist. It's got some clunks going on. We'll take care of that. So that's it for today. Till next time, guys. Take care.